Okay, welcome back to another rant video. Now, as you can see from the title of today's video, this rant topic of today, I believe I said that correctly, is insurance. So this rant shouldn't be a long video at all. It should be relatively short, I would assume. I would hope so, any fucking way. So, this is my problem. It's not a law for you to have health insurance, right? So, if you choose not to have health insurance, that's fine. I mean, like if something happens to you in the long run and you go to the doctors, get ready to be having thousands and thousands of dollars worth of bills fucking piled up that you're going to have to pay, but you do not have to have health insurance, right? So please tell me why you don't have to insure your life, but you have to insure your car. Now, don't get me wrong. I understand you need an insurance if you was to like finance a car from some from a dealership or something, because obviously, you feel me, you're financing it. So it's not fully your vehicle until you finish paying off that listed price. So you're basically it's currently the bank's vehicle, because when you go to a car dealership, to my knowledge, if I know correctly, that's the dealership property. But then you basically get a loan, obviously from a bank, and you're basically paying that bank. So the bank buys the car, and you're basically making payments on the car to the bank. You feel me? So it's the bank's property until you fucking finish you get that last payment off, or whatever the fuck the case is. So you feel me? Obviously, in that case, it's understood. But for those of you who might be young and not understand shit, there's two different type of coverage when it comes to vehicles. You have full coverage and you have liability coverage, right? So full coverage means that if you was to get in an accident with somebody, you have full coverage all around. So your insurance will pay for both your damages and the other person's damages and shit like that. Liability means if you get in an accident, your insurance will only pay for the other person damages and whatnot. So your shit is just fucked. You got to pay out of your pocket. You have to have car insurance because it's against the law for you to not have car insurance, which I don't understand. Because so you're trying to tell me that my life is, or let me put it like this, you're trying to tell me that my car is worth insuring more than my life, if that makes sense. Like I just never understood that shit. Like it's really a problem if you choose not to have car insurance. I just feel like just like you choose whether or not if you want to have health insurance, that's your fault, right? So I feel like it should be the same thing with a fucking vehicle, a fucking object. If you choose whether to be smart or stupid, or you believe in your skills enough that you're never going to get in an accident, so you don't have to worry about car insurance or whatever the fucking case may be, I feel like that's just how it should be. So like I said, so if you get in a fucking accident and you don't have car insurance, just be ready. Don't be bitching and complaining and shit. Just know, like, get ready to pay thousands of dollars out of your fucking own pocket and shit. You feel me? Because you chose not to have car insurance. But I just don't understand why, like I said, you fucking don't have to have fucking health insurance, but you have to have car insurance. Like I said, today's rant video wasn't gonna be long. That was just the topic I just need to get out my fucking chest, because I be talking to a lot of people, you feel me, and I just never understood that shit. They get where I'm coming from. So do y'all get where I'm coming from? Like I said, let me know your side in the comment section if you feel differently or if you agree with me, because that shit does not make any fucking sense. You need to insure a fucking car, but you don't need to insure your life. What type of fucking world is this, bro?